Good morning, students. As we are going to start calculation of amount consumable items in non-profit organization. In non-profit organizations, there are so many items which are consumed day to day, and these items should be so important for the organizations. Without these items, we cannot run the business properly. These small items day to day used, so it is called consumable items, which are consumed day to day. It may be day to day expenses like stationery in office, medicines in hospitals, sports items in sports clubs. These items are consumable items. So we have to prepare proper accounts in NPO so that we can find out net income or expenditure of non-profit organizations. To non-profit organizations, we have to calculate the exact expenses. So how to calculate the expenses of consumable items, we explain too. First of all, let me take an example. If we use stationery in organization, then we have to know how much amount of stationery is at the beginning of the year and how much of stationery purchased during the year, cash purchase, credit purchase, what is the creditors of the stationery beginning of the year, end of the year, how much stationery stock end of the year. These all information should be required for calculating the expenses of the stationery. Then how to calculate is this? We take one example. For example, opening stock of medicines. Now we take the example of the medicines. Let's. Opening stock of the medicine is 1 lakh. Opening creditors for the medicine is 90,000. Creditor mean to say we have purchased credit medicine last year, then we have not paid for that and they become the creditors of the medicines. Now cash purchase of medicine during the year 3 lakhs mean to say we have to purchase medicine 3 lakhs amount during the year, and closing stock of medicine is 1,50,000. At the end of the year, closing stock of medicine is 1,50,000 and closing creditor for the medicine is 1,30,000. This is the opening creditor, this is the closing creditor. Closing creditor means this year we have also purchased credit stationery and we have not paid for that and the creditor become 1,30,000. Now questions, how we calculate the expenses of the medicines? Then we have take a example formula. Now cash purchase of the medicine is cash purchase of medicine rupees 3 lakh, and opening stock of medicine. Opening stock of medicine is 90,000. That should be add, and add closing creditors. Closing creditors, that is 1,30,000, and that is 2,20,000. Now 5,20,000. Then we have deduct less closing stock of the medicine. Closing stock, that medicine now we have at our godown we have not used, so this medicine have to deduct. Closing stock, that is 1,50,000, and less opening creditors. Opening creditors amount is 90,000. Now 2,40,000, and expenses on medicine, that is calculated 80,000. 2,80,000. Is it clear? Now, expenses of medicine is 2,80,000. Is it clear? Okay, thank you.